Okay, so if you're at home, either RCL or hybrid or just a distance learner, you are going to need some examples to go by. These questions are specifically asking what the relationship is between each pair of angles. So we're going to use those words alternate, consecutive, exterior, and interior to name our angle pairs. So starting with A, we have angle 1 and angle 8. So I'm going to look and I'm going to point. Well, here's angle 1, and then 8 is way down here. So first I have to decide if they're alternate or consecutive. So alternate means that they're on opposite sides of the transversal, and consecutive means that they're on the same side. So I'm going to leave my pen here pointed at angle 1, and I am going to try to decide what these have to be. So I can see, here's my transversal. So angle 1 is to the left, and angle 8 is to the right of that transversal. So those would be opposite sides. Then I have to decide if this is interior or exterior. So if it's interior, then it's going to be in between the parallel lines, and exterior means that it's outside. So I can see that these are outside, so they must be exterior. So because these were on opposite sides, that means that it's alternate, and they're outside, so it's alternate exterior. Okay, question B asks about angles 3 and 6. So 3 and 6 I can see are both inside, and they're on opposite sides of the transversal. So opposite sides, 3 is to the left, 6 is to the right. Opposite sides tells me alternate, and they're in between the parallel lines, so that means that they are interior this time. Okay, question C asks for angle 7 and angle 2. So here's 7 and here's 2. When I look at these, 7 is to the left of the transversal and 2 is to the right, so they're on opposite sides. Therefore, they must be alternate, and they're outside of the parallel lines. Here are my parallel lines. 2 is outside and 7 is outside, so they're alternate exterior. And then we have angle 5 and angle 4. So here's angle 5, here's 4. They're on opposite sides again, so I know they're alternate. And they're in between the parallel lines, so they must be interior. Okay, we have 2 more below, so I'm going to move so we can see those. So for E, we have angle 2 and angle 8. Angle 2 is here, and 8 is here. Angle 2 is to the right of the transversal, and angle 8 is also to the right. So when they're on the same side, that's called consecutive. You will actually see that labeled as same side sometimes, but our better math term is consecutive. And then looking at 2 and 8, I can see my parallel lines are here, and they're both outside of the parallel lines. So that means that they must be consecutive exterior. And then our last one are angles 3 and 5, and I'm going to slide so that maybe we can write on there too. So 3 and 5 are here. I can see that both of them are to the left of the transversal. See, here's my transversal. They're both to the left. So they're on the same side. So again, that will tell me consecutive. And then these guys are inside those parallel lines. See my parallel lines? Both of them are inside. So that means that they are interior. So they are consecutive interior. I hope this helps you with your alternate, consecutive, exterior, and interior words. We will pick up a few more tomorrow, but this is a good start. Good luck, guys.